Hindi. Nothing matters kapag love, di ba? Kahit past or whatever. Yun nga lang kung age, tapos sobrang laki ng age gap yung kailangan, tatanggapin nyo yung pagkakaiba nyo. Kasi marami rin with age comes maturity. So kung immature isa, tatanggapin mo yun, di ba? Hintay mo siya mag-grow. Pero no, kasi matter.
Yeah, kasi kung magka-age kayo, kaya 2 to 3 years lang age gap nyo, mas madali kayong magkakaintindihan or mag-open up sa isa't isa kasi mas close yung age nyo.
Age doesn't matter. Kahit gano'n pa kalaki yung age gap nila, ang mahalaga naman talaga doon kung nagmamahalan kayo sa isa't isa. Yun lang.
No, kasi love, it can transcend malaking feeling yun eh. So, pag feel mo na tama, na gusto mo talaga, then you go for it.
I don't think so. Basta't totoo ang pag-ibigan, may respeto sa isa't isa, age does not matter.
Para sa akin, kung mahal mo naman talaga ang isang tao, hindi na dapat mag-matter ang age and yun, kailangan tanggap mo siya for who you are.
Number lang po yan, yan age. So for me, kung ako kumahal ko talaga isang babae, kumahal na talaga ako. So di ba wala naman po makatigil sa amin. Yun po yung destiny namin dalawa kasi mahal namin yung isa't isa.
Age doesn't matter. Once you guys love each other, that's it.
I think that age doesn't matter because your heart doesn't choose who you want to love. So I think nasa sayo na yun, that it's a personal choice everyone has to make, and if some people think it's important, then it matters for them. But yeah, so I think that it's a question of the heart.
Ako, I don't think so. It's just a matter of how mature you are and kung paano mo siya tatanggapin ng buong buo. And importante naman in love, you just have to give your all, regardless of what age.